Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I would like to deliver information about BEd second year, second semester, environmental issues, education and concerns, important questions, examination point of view I am giving. First unit, understanding weather, climate and agriculture and health. What do you mean by environment, weather and climate? This question came 2018. Environment refers to the surroundings of an organism. Here, the environment is derived from French word environner, which means surround. French word that is environner, which means surround or to encircle. To encircle. It includes both living and non-living components. Environment includes both living and non-living component, whatever plants, animals, human beings, whatever non-living components, biotic components, everything, whatever surroundings are there, that all included environment. The components of environment. Here, two types of components are there: biotic components and abiotic components. What are the biotic components? That components have life. Bio means life. Biotic components which have life, that components are biotic components. You can easily remember PAM. P for plants, A for animals, M for microorganisms. These are biotic components which have life. Next one, abiotic components. Abiotic means doesn't have life, no life, that components that are abiotic components. You can remember easily CPC. You can remember easily CPC. C for climatic and P for physical, C for chemical. Climatic, physical, chemical, CPC. These factors included in abiotic components. First of all, we will see what is weather. Weather, it represents the daily changes in the atmosphere. Weather represents daily changes in the atmosphere or the state of atmosphere. Daily changes in the atmosphere or the state of atmosphere. We can calculate a short period of time. That's why state of atmosphere in a short period. It contains mix of events. It contains mix of events that are TRH. That are the what are the mix of events means that are TRH. You can remember TRH. T for temperature, R for rainfall, H for humidity. Temperature, rainfall, humidity. Next one, climate. It is a average weather. Climate is a average weather. It is a place over many years. Average weather of a place many years we can calculate. It is a long period of time we can calculate. Usually over 30 years interval we can calculate. It is usual condition of the, we can remember easily, THAPWRM. THAPWRM. Temperature, T for temperature, H for humidity, A for atmosphere, P for pressure, W for wind, R for rainfall, M for meteorological elements. Next you have to write differences between weather and climate. Okay, you have to draw tabular form. Weather is the moment-wise state of atmosphere of a given geographical area. Climate is the average weather in a given region. Weather is a condition of atmosphere is a given region in a short period of time. Climate is the way of behavior given particular region. We can consider we have to take a long period of time. That is short period, this is long period. Weather of a place can change even a few hours or even a few minutes. It will changes. The climate of place takes several years. It takes a long time. Weather is greatly affected by factors. Okay, what are the factors are there that all affects weather, like temperature, humidity, pressure, etc. Here, temperature and precipitation are the two key factors which can influence climate. The study of weather is called meteorology. The study of climate is called climatology. This is all about what do you mean by environment, weather and climate. This is important question 2018 came. Next, one more important question. Explain the concept of temperature. This question came 2017. Explain the important concept of temperature. Temperature is the abiotic factor. Okay, that is strongly influenced by the sunlight. It is measure how hot or cold is the atmosphere. How hot or cold the atmosphere is. It is the most commonly parameter, measured parameter. More specifically, temperature describes the kinetic energy, energy of motion of the gases that make up the air. Temperature plays an important role for all animals, all creatures that cannot regulate their own body temperature, such as reptiles that can't regulate their own body temperature. The usual type of temperature recording instrument is the mercury in glass pattern of thermometer. Changes of temperature are registered by changes in the length of mercury thread in a glass capillary tube. Temperature is usually expressed in Fahrenheit or Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Next one, you can keep adding scales of temperature that are Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. First of all, we will say Celsius. That means 0 degrees centigrade. The freezing and boiling points of water 0 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade respectively. Next, Fahrenheit. The freezing point of temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Celsius means we are measuring 0 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Here we can express in Fahrenheit 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Next one, Kelvin. This is purely a scientific scale on which the degree is of the same size as the Celsius degree. The factors affect the temperature. You have to keep adding the factors affecting the temperature. First one is altitude, latitude, distance from the sea and ocean, and fourth one, oceanic current. First one we have to see what is altitude. The height measured from the sea level is called altitude. At low altitude there is a thick mass of air which can absorb sufficient amount of sun's heat. Here thick mass of air, that's why it can absorb sufficient amount of sun's heat. So it is hot at a low altitude. At a high altitude it is totally reversible. At high altitude there is a very thin mass of air. There is a very high thin mass of air. That means a very thin mass of air. So it can't absorb sufficient amounts of sun's heat. So the temperature also gradually decreases. So it is cool at high altitude. It is cool at high altitude. Low altitude it is very high. Next one, latitude. It is the most important factor of that affects the climate of a particular region. When the latitude increases, the distance from the sun also increases. Latitude increases, distance from the sun also increases. So temperature gradually decreases. Latitude increases, distance from the sun also increases. So here temperature decreases. As the equator lies very near the sun, direct rays fall on a shorter period of time. So it is very hot. Direct rays fall, so it is very hot. But poles, it is very far from the sun. Slanting rays are fell, so it gets cold in polar region with increase in latitude. Next one, distance from the sea and ocean. During the summer, the sun near the earth, sun rays fall perpendicularly in summer. That means 90 degrees angle perpendicularly. So the sea water gets heated, but it heated fastly but cools down very slowly. Water bodies, when compared to water bodies and land, water bodies it takes so much for heating, so much time, and also cooling also it takes so much time compared to land. But land very fast, quickly heat and quickly cools. But water body is not like that, totally irreversible. Land gets heated fast and cools down fast. As the distance from the sea and ocean increases, the temperature also increases. Next one, oceanic current. The movement of oceanic water depends upon sea breeze and temperature. This keeps on flowing on the bank of the water of ocean, which is called oceanic current. The movement of oceanic water depends upon sea breeze and temperature. This is oceanic current. It keeps on flowing. The hot air coming from the equatorial region result in warm ocean currents. And the cool air coming from the polar region result in cold ocean currents. So the area where is the warm ocean current, we can find warm climate. Cold ocean current, we can find cold climate. This is all about concept of temperature. 2017 came this question, important question. If you have any doubts, you can comment in comment box. If you want more updates about important questions, examination point of view, you can like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.